In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Deepseek account. Let's dive right in. First, open Deepseek app. If you haven't downloaded it, go ahead and grab it from your app store. Now here you can see login and sign in with Google. You can log in with your Google or either you can log in directly. Simply log in with your email. Now type in your email. And enter your password. Once you have entered your email and password, tap on login. And that's it, you have just logged into your Deepseek account in this super simple way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.